Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So I have my scooter with me. It's Sunday today. I'm heading to Venice kasi mayroon akong appointment with Skin Station for my legs. Done with my appointment here at Skin Station. Now I am gonna pass by a Chinese restaurant kasi sobrang gutom na ako. Let's take out some food and then sa bahay na ako kakain. We're gonna have to film a bunch of videos and then we're gonna go to Kaimu's dog show. Mama's home, baby! Ito yung order ko sa Minsiang. Ang sarap, girl. Clam and teka ng daga or what do you call that? Black fungus mushroom. Ang sarap, girl. Yum. Oh, si Kaimi, sobrang cute. Yung chimkin leg niya naka-stretch. Oh, the baby boy, so cute. Nag-ayos ako ng bahay, so kung linis ko yung bedroom, malinis na lahat. I vacuumed and I disinfected everything. Even the living room. So ito na lang kailangan kong ayusin from my table. I'm so happy natapos ko yung dalawang video for today. So I have to run to Din Tai Fung to have dinner with my mom and my sisters. And bago yung setup ko for the video, girl, look at this. Nilipat ko yung twinkle lights ko dito and medyo nag-ayos ako here. So pag uwi ko ng bahay, I'll probably film some more videos para lang ma-stock talaga ako. So I've been doing really good with uploading. I haven't missed a day, kaya naka 10 videos na yata ako. Love it. Dito na kami sa Din Tai Fung with DT. Hi, Mama! And si Isa. Yum, yum, yum. Siya ulong pao. Yummy. Ito yung favorite ko sa Din Tai Fung. Halibut. It's so good. Tsaka this one. Oh, yes. Finally home, guys. So before I end the vlog for today, mag-ano lang ako. Mag-update lang ako ng konti. So, I filmed 2 videos today. So, ano yun, puro beauty unboxing, exciting. And then, I've also been super loving my big pins. I'll have the Instagram link in the information box. Talula Bell yata yung name yun. Pero super nice. I also have the pearl ones. So, bukas, ang dami ko kailangan gawin. Actually, Monday and Tuesday are gonna be super busy. Even Wednesday. Tatlong sunod-sunod na araw, busy lahat. And then, we're gonna leave this week then for Bohol, Panglao. So, ang dami ko kailangan tapusin since I am super duper strict on myself talaga to upload 1 video per day. I've been very, very, very masunurin. So far, I have 10 videos uploaded on my channel. And I'm so happy about that. Mag-midnight na, wala pa sila Kaimu. So, kakatapos lang yata ng dog show. Hintayin ko lang sila kasi for sure si Kaimu sobrang pagod na, nakakaloka. Okay naman yung kain sa Din Tai Fung, hindi lang sobrang wow. Kasi ang favorite ko yung fish, diba? Kaso yung kinain ko na yung fish, ang lansa. Sabi ko, ba't kaya malansa yun? But anyway, so I took my scooter. I rode my scooter pa uwi. So, dyan natin sila Kaimu. Hi, baby! Congratulations, baby bear! Oh, my baby won! Kaimu won! Yay! Nanalo na si Kaimu ng 2nd place. You say hi. Hello! Nanalo ko 2nd place.
6 to 9 months, but he's only 5 months.
Whee! May ribbon si Kaimu. Yay, Kaimu! Tapos may certificate. Ito rin, free to. Ano ito? Newborn milk. Shampoo. Kaimu! Congratulations! Magsi 6 months. Oh my gosh, ang bilis. Magsi 6 months siya ng March. So, yun. This vlog is gonna go up tomorrow. So, makikita nito agad bukas. And then, meron pa akong nakalista lahat ng mga kailangan kong i-film. I still have to film yung Mi 365 na scooter review. Pero medyo kailangan ko ng oras doon. Like, the whole day to film that. Kasi, morning and then gabi. So, kailangan ng mahaba-haba. And then, how I pack for the beach. Or, I'll show you how I pack for our Bohol trip. That's gonna be, alam mo, 4 days. So, I'll show you how. And then, ano pa ba? Yun lang naman. So, Wednesday, I'm so excited kasi magpapagawa ako ng lashes. Mag-edit na ako and then I'm gonna watch my new favorite series sa Netflix. It's called Afterlife. Medyo sad siya na depressed. Actually, tapos ko na pala. Parang 1 season lang yun. So, tapos na. Tsaka yung Working Moms, tapos ko na rin panoorin. So, hahanap ako ng iba. Oh, kapag may Netflix kayo, panoorin nyo yung The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind. Ang ganda, sobra. Hindi ko ata na story or na ano yun, pero sobrang ganda. Like, naiyak talaga ako ng bonggang-bonggang-bongga. So, that's it for the vlog today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!